Tired of wondering when your machine stopped? Want to track downtime events without paying thousands of dollars for a SCADA system? In this video, we will use Python and a Rockwell PLC to automatically log downtime events to a CSV file. This is part 1 of the 6-part course where we will build our own OEE logger using real industrial tools. What you will need? You will need a Python 3.3 installed and a PyCharm IDE and a pylogix library, a Rockwell CompactLogix or a ControlLogix PLC, and a tag named machine stop. You want to build something like this. As you can see, my machine is running. I'll run the Python script. Once the machine is stopped, I push a stop button. Once the machine is stopped, you could see Python script logged machine stopped and notepad was logged. The CSV file had the same thing recorded. In this video, we'll go through how this code works. Let's walk through the steps in the Python script. We first import all the required libraries. Pylogix is the main library. If you want to install Pylogix, you need to use pip install pylogix is the command. And once that library is installed, we can use from pylogix import PLC model, and we import bunch of date time and CSV and OS time and systems. Key steps are configuration. You need to know the IP address of your PLC. In my case, it's 192.168.1.10. And the tag, I named a Boolean tag called machine stopped. And this is where you need to give a path to the CSV file. Make sure you put an R in front of it. If you don't put an R in front of this path, Python considers all this as special symbols and it can't find the file. I'm doing a poll interval of 1 second. That means every 1 second the script is looking for the tag value, and I can show you the tag value in the logics. This is the tag value, simple logic start button and a stop button machine running. Whenever machine is not run, I have a machine stopped tag. That's the tag which this logic is looking for. First thing, we want to ensure that we have connection to the PLC, and this part here is just to make sure your path is existent. The variable we use is a PLC, and it takes the IP address of the PLC. First thing we do is connecting to the PLC. We do a F string and we pass the PLC IP address. Once the result is true, we will go ahead and run the loop. And the main condition here is if current state and not last state. This detects when machine just stopped from 0 to 1. This triggers only when the tag changes from 0 to 1. And then at the same time, we go ahead and get the timestamp. And then we print machine stopped. And we open the CSV file and start inserting a line into the CSV file. That's the crux of the code. Now we'll do a demo run using the PLC. Let's run it and simulate the machine stop in the PLC. What you see on the screen is a CompactLogix PLC, which is already in a stop mode. The red light indicates the machine stopped. We'll go ahead and cycle start the machine. I'll show you the logic. So in the machine, in the CompactLogix, I'll go ahead and hit a start button. You can see the machine is running. That's as indicated in the green light. The script is still running. So now I'll go ahead and hit a cycle stop. Using the red cycle stop button, the machine stopped and the script logged the downtime, which is already recorded in the notepad file. Printer timestamp. And this is the new row that was added. Now you are logging downtime events straight from the PLC. In the next video, we'll calculate how long the machine was down and begin tracking the total downtime in minutes. Subscribe if you haven't already and grab the source code in this. We'll cover logging events and then followed with measure downtime, storing the data into MySQL, track machine states, build dashboards, and deploy this on Raspberry Pi. See you in the next video where we're going to calculate the duration of the downtime in Python.